How to fix Try Again Later. We restrict certain activity to protect our community guidelines on Instagram. Well, in order to fix this issue, first of all, head over to your application Instagram. Once you're on your account, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then tap on Logout. Once again, click on Logout. Once you have been logged out of your account, re-enter your login credential and then sign into your account. That should fix the issue. If not, head over to your App Store and then search for Instagram. Head over to this app. Right here you can see the option of update, which means that you are not running the latest version of the app. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once you've got the updated version of the app, head over to the application and see whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, then you can report the issue, and after that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.